Hello everybody and welcome back to another one of my videos. Today I'm down the allotment again. I came down here to do some things, but the weather has just started to rain, so I'm not going to get to do what I want to do. I've got these trees what I wanted to get out of, these bushes what I wanted to get out the polytunnel. As you can see they're a bit hot bound and a bit dry. This is a hydrangea, flamingo, and I wanted to put them in from ages ago, but every time I come down here I end up doing something else, so I'm just dug one hole. I'm going to get this one in. I see some bulbs down there, but I don't know what bulbs they are. Just going to put them back in just in case. Right, so that's one hydrangea in. It's just finding the spaces for them. I did put some bulbs down here. Now I think I was going to put one here, but it might be too near to this peony. I don't know how big, and I've got a rhododendron here. I've got these what's coming through. So when I see them, I just pull those out. I've got five other ones to plant, but I've just run out of the room for them because I don't want them to bush up together. I've done one. I'm going to put back some of my mulch in there later on, but I have to do that later when the rain stops a bit. Let's have a quick look and see, then I'll be back with you in a minute. Right everybody, so I'm at the top and I've got to put some up here. This is a rose bush, a red one, got the label on it. So I'm going to just dug the hole already, so I'm just going to put that in and just let them do their own thing. I know I'm cutting off my access to it for next year, but I can't have them in my polytunnel because they're just in there taking up the space. Right, so I'm going to get the rest of these planted, then I'll be back with you in a minute. Right everybody, so I've got two up the top there, but I'm just going to leave those two until later on because I don't want to block my access to get through. And I've put two like on the sort of border of the edge, because I've still got all this space here, so I can put another one here just to like make a like border path. I might put one up the top when I get those bags moved, but I've got to see them today and see if it's possible that they could get a skip down there, because people just leaving all their things lying around, and if they had a skip then people wouldn't have no excuses but to get rid of their rubbish before they go, because you know what people are like already. If they just leave things lying around, and then it makes it harder for everyone. So I've put a red rose there, and I've got I think this is a peony, a red one. Got the card here for it, so it's a red flowering one. So I'll put that here. Just going to fill in this hole now. One of the things what I wanted to do today, so it makes it easier for me to get in and out of my polytunnel now, because these were in the middle. And I've got another flamingo here. I don't know if this one's okay or what, because the other one had like the little leaves sprouting, so you could tell that it was okay, but this one looks like it's a bit too far gone. But nevertheless, some things happen and you don't know, so I'm going to still plant it and see what happens. If it grows, it grows. If it don't, I got gifted them, so you can see the soil's nice and loose. I've got some harvesting to do as well. My courgettes seem to be doing very well down here. And I've given away a load as well. You wouldn't believe the amount of courgettes that I've given away. What I should have done, I should have put some chicken manure pellets down the roots of this one, just to give it a bit of a boost and see that helps it pick up. So that's all the bushes out of the way. So my next task now, because I'm not staying here long, I'm gonna get my penknife now. I'm gonna harvest some of these courgettes. So I'll be back with you in a minute. Right, so I haven't been down here since Monday. Today's Friday, so I've left it a week. And as you can see, everything's coming along nicely. But these courgettes have outgrown themselves. I've just cut one off, a little one off by mistake. I like them when they're more slimmer than this. That's how I like my courgettes, when they're small like that. You fry them with some eggs and they're really nice. So I've got to get in and see what's going on. I'm not sure if this is a bush marrow one, but yeah, this was a marrow, but we don't really like marrow, so I use them as courgettes. But what I might do is leave a couple and let them grow into marrows, and now then I can always give those away. So we're doing exceptionally well with the courgettes. I've still got some up the top. I've still got some in there, but I'm going to leave those ones and see what happens. Those are what's down this end. I'm going to go up to the other bed. So in this bed I've got some too. These are meant to be the black ones, but I don't know, black beauties, but they're all the same to me. So when you take them off, it's giving the rest another boost to get going. So that's 4 up here. Right, so this is my cucumbers. I'm just checking those. Got a little one there, what's like a gherkin. We're going to take those to those. So I've got 3 cucumbers for my Sunday dinner. I'm going to tie these up again so that they grow upwards. See how much it's grown. I've got cucumbers coming out the top as well, and I've got my pumpkins as well, what's running over to the side. I don't know how I'm going to do those yet. I'm going to do these, get them all tied up, and then I'll be back with you in a minute. Right everybody, so I'm still here. We've just tied off my cucumbers, my chocho, and then I'm just getting these peas. I had to put another netting in the middle. These, because some of these are climbers and they're just going everywhere. So now that I've got them, I can just train them through so that they can start running up the netting instead of all over the place. I wanted to have a walk around the plot, but because of the rain, don't think I'm going to get to do that now. My sweet potato, you can see, coming on leaps and bounds. These are the ones what I put outside. You can see that they're doing really nice. My lettuce is coming on nice, because we're having a bit of rain every now and then. Everything's decided to grow, so I'll have to do some of this next time, because I don't want to get wet and get a cold or anything. So at least the netting's there now for them, so they can just grow in between and then go up like the other ones. Some of them's taken off already, as you can see. Some of them are up the netting already and started to flower. So I've done that. Just come back up this top. Got all these things to take up as well. I picked these courgettes and cucumbers. I have to get a basket, a harvesting basket. So I've got these cucumbers. Got to remember to take these cucumbers out and put in the fridge, otherwise they'll start going soft. You can see everything's coming on nice. All my peppers, they've got peppers on there. These are the yellow round courgettes. I've had a lot of just this one plant has given me so many. It's just amazing. So, got another one there. I'm going to take this one off just to give it a bit more, because it won't be down till maybe Monday or Tuesday, depending on the weather. We're getting some rain now, and one thing what I've got to do, I'm going to be doing some bits in my my polytunnel. I've got to water these plants in here, so I've got to get the hose connection and that. So I'll be back with you in a minute, and I've got to put some fertilizer in these ones, so I'll be back with you in a minute. Right everybody, so I'm just giving everything in my polytunnel a quick watering. Just the polytunnel, because outside it's raining, so just want to make sure that if I don't get to come back down here for the rest of the week, then everything's got a good water in. You can see some things are, where you use the coir, the soil's a bit more moisture on those, so just trying to get the hose as fine as I can. These are my pepinos, the ones what I left inside, just to see what the difference in growing. I see they've sent off some side leaves already. So it's just mostly these things inside. I've got another one here, which is a pepino melon. This is my melon plant, my tomatoes you can see. But the ones outside look more healthier than the ones inside, I don't know why. And then my sugar cane, what look like corn, but they're sugar cane. Make sure I give my melon plant a good watering, because as you can see there's quite a few melons on there. So if you're liking our videos, please remember to like, share and subscribe. Tell your friends to tell their friends about the channel. We've got everybody watching the videos but not subscribing. Although we've reached our subscribers number, we haven't reached our watch number hours yet. All those who I've sent plants to, reach out to me, let me know how they're getting along. I've sent out a lot of sweet potatoes, pumpkins, tomatoes. I've sent out quite a few different varieties of plants I've sent out to various people. So you can just reach out to me, let me know how everything's coming on. As you can see, my things are doing exceptionally well. I'm happy with what's going on at the moment. And please note that our videos are behind because I have other commitments. I'm a photographer, so when I'm doing things, I've got to be editing photos as well as editing my videos for YouTube, so sometimes they get pushed a little bit behind. But we're getting there, which is the main thing. Everything's coming along nicely, so you can't really moan or complain about things. So I hope you all enjoyed this one. Just planted a few a few bushes and that, hydrangeas and roses and peonies and that. I've got to come back up here and weed up this bit again because this one's getting covered. You can see these are starting to flower. These was here when I came, so I've got to just although it's the grass is always going to be a nuisance down here. I was meant to come and take up some more of these potatoes. You can see a few at the top, but I'll have to do that when it's a bit more dry, just dig out the rest of them. So thanks for watching this one, and I hope you all enjoying our videos. If you want to reach out to us, just leave a comment in the comment section. We do get back to you on them when we can. It might take a few days or something, but we do get back to you on them. So hope you have a good weekend, and hope you're enjoying your garden. Well, we know it's been wet for these past few days, but you still got to come and do what you can. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you all on the next one. You take care.